Hey there, this is Sam from EasyTradingSignals.com, and we're going to do a quick update on Bitcoin this morning. It is Friday the 15th of September, and I'm probably only going to be able to actually post this a little bit later, but I wanted to quickly do an update video following on my video of yesterday, and the reason for it is because of the up move that we see here on Bitcoin, and it's of course due to this news event. UOB and Okacoin is still having to stop their 1-2 Bitcoin trading, but now it's been extended to to October. So it gives them a little bit more time, and the market reacted massively to that. So now the main question here is, let's look at the charts. Did the chart affect the market, or did the fundamental news affect the chart? Because that's always an interesting discussion, and of course it's really a combination of the two, but I wanted to just show you what I'm seeing here. So here we have a sharp down, up, down, and there's an up, and there's a down, and of course that is our classical 5-wave impulsive move. And on this side over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're expecting, if we see something like this, you've got a 5-wave move, then we're expecting a 3. So what we have here is a 1, 2, 3 movement inside. This is your corrective move, and these are your two impulsives. It makes a zigzag. So the question now is, would the market have stopped at this level down here? I'm just going to zoom out a little bit before I draw that in. Would the market have stopped down here by itself purely because of the news, or is it purely the news? So that's always the question. Now, yesterday I drew a line at roughly this level, and then I'm a little skewed, so which actually calls, if you take into account my skew line, for a slightly lower market before heading back up. But we also have this point over here that's slightly higher, and that's pretty much, if you zoom in, where the market actually touched. So in my opinion, this level down here, this whole area here, is very strong when it comes to a support base for the price. And even though in Bitcoin you don't have a lot of sophisticated traders necessarily, they're not necessarily all looking at the charts, and you don't have that sort of interplay. Even with algorithms, people still write the algorithms and people look at the charts. So you don't have that type of interplay. You have a lot of people that, they might have invested their life savings, maybe in China, specifically here, into Bitcoin, and now all of a sudden they realize there might be some danger ahead. They might lose their investment or whatever, so they want to get out. So they just want to sell. They don't, care about the investment, in terms of anything else. They just want to get the money out. But we still have Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin itself, nothing is wrong with Bitcoin. So people will still react to that component as well. So on the one hand, you have a market in China that is running scared of Bitcoin right now because of regulatory changes, but the rest of the world still loves Bitcoin. So I think that honestly, around about here, where we're at here at roughly 3,000 level, is a really good point for anyone to get in. And I think the moment the news came out, a lot of people that might already been in the market said, wait a minute, this is a really good opportunity to get in on Bitcoin. So that's my analysis. I think the market might have gone a little bit lower even without the news, but the moment the news came out, of course the market reacted. But it's a double-edged sword, because we can see here that the market was exhausted already. Now, does that mean that Bitcoin will continue up, rising from this point? Well, I hope so. I think so. My analysis tells me, because of a strong level of support at roughly 3,000, that Bitcoin is likely to meander along before it starts climbing higher again, and hopefully this time, more rationally. So we'll see how that plays out over the next couple of days. So it'll be very interesting to watch, and I'll keep you posted on it. But I just wanted to post this update to quickly give you an overview of how I see Bitcoin playing out. So in closing, let's do this. I'm going to draw a line roughly here at the 3,000 level, because I think that is super strong support. Now, with people overreacting on the Bitcoin market a lot, we might see spikes down. I don't know, but that is a very strong level, 3,000. So what I'm thinking is going to happen here is that this is a corrective move, right? This whole move here is corrective. This is impulsive. So what we're expecting now is another corrective move, and the corrective move will go something like that, maybe higher. I don't know. I can't tell with corrective moves. You simply cannot. So maybe there, then go back down again, right? It might even go and touch here. I don't know, and then continue back up. That's roughly what I see is going to happen here. Now, it might go short and then head up. I don't know. That's hard to tell. But that's my analysis, and that's what I think is going to happen, and we'll see how it plays out. Hey, thank you for watching. As always, remember to subscribe and trade easy.